Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Love and Beauty, and today I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial with this wig that I bought from AliExpress. It is a 10-inch 613 blonde lace frontal wig, and I'm just showing you guys how the packaging came. It does come with the two combs on the side. There's a comb in the middle and there's a comb in the back, and it also has the adjustable scraps. Okay, so when I first placed the wig on my head, I just noticed that the wig was just trash. Like, the hair was real thin, and when I tried to part it, I couldn't part it. It put me in the mind of a cosplay wig, something that you wear around Halloween time. Yeah, the wig is just like was a no. But I still went in and tried to adjust the scraps to fit my head, and I went in and I cut the lace. I also used the bow hole glue that I always use to place my wig on my head, just to see where it was gonna take me and how this look was gonna end up. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys a close view of the hairline, and as you can see, it's horrible. Like, the whole wig is just horrible. Like, I was just trying my best to still place the wig on my head and try to see what I can come up with. But as you can see, I was struggling, but I still was trying to make a look at this wig. So right here, you guys see me cutting the hair. I'm trying to make it even, to make it look a little bit fuller at the ends, but it really wasn't working. The hair was like so thin towards the ends, but I was trying to give it a look. I thought if I would cut it evenly, it would make it look a little fuller and a little bit better, but it doesn't help really. So here I goes again, trying to part the hair, as you can see, but I was still having a hard time. So I went in with some mousse to lay the hair down for me, because I wasn't sure what look I was going for. And then I goes in with my straightening comb to get the hair to lay down also. So I tried curling the bang, but the hair was just so stiff. It just was like nothing was working. It was like it was no help for this wig at all whatsoever. So yeah, this wig is a no for me. The back wasn't too bad. It wasn't thin as the side was. but it's still a no. It just wasn't working out for me. But anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please hit your notification button for upcoming videos so you won't miss out, and I will see you guys in the next video.